Hello, today I'm gonna show you how I will replace the battery on a Ford Maverick. Here you go, 2022 Ford Maverick. This is the Ecoboost, what's called truck. It's not the hybrid. Here's the battery. So it's dead now, so I need to change it. So the first things, just to kind of walk you through it, there's this little metal piece kind of surrounding the battery. This one that goes down there, and as you can see, there's some fasteners in place. So I believe the size for them, for this one's all those bolts on it is 10 millimeter. So you can use a socket for these, or I use this wrench, 10 millimeter what's it called, wrench, to go ahead and loosen the bolts. So let me go ahead and loosen them. Okay, so I disconnected the terminals, the battery terminals. As you can see, I also removed the bolt joining this two pieces. I removed it with the 10 millimeter wrench, and so it's kind of, should be easy to pull out now. So the thing with this truck is that we need to remove this piece so it can slide out. So I need to disconnect there's the air intake system, from here all the way, all this little piece. Remove this plastic piece right here. As you can see, it does wobble, so it's just put in place by these little things. So once I remove them, I'll be able to kind of take some of these pieces. Remember to unplug this little sensor right here, and also kind of separate the pieces here. This what's it called, bracket, whatever it's called. So let me do that, and then I'll show you how it's looking. Okay, so I loosened this this part from the air filter cover. I also removed this piece, this right here. These are being held in this area by these things, which you can pull out with what's it called, screwdriver. I did that with the what's it called, a flat screwdriver. So you start to remove those pieces. This one seems to be stuck, the bottom part of the air filter compartment, but you just wiggle it and pull it up, and then it just comes out. See, so it's being held by these little things that kind of gets go into some areas right here. You see, that's how it's stuck. So you don't need to use a screwdriver or anything. You just pull it up, and now we have access to the battery. So here we go. This is it. I need to see how to loosen it more so it can come out. Let me show you that now. Hey guys, so as you can see, I got the battery out, disconnected this piece, the hose that goes to the air filter, and as you can see, I also took it out. This thing is stuck. It has 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and it goes into here, 1, 2, and 3 over there, I think. So you need to jiggle it, this piece, until it comes out. There's no screws, there's nothing like that. It's just plastic pieces. So as you can see, and to slide the battery out, I lifted a little bit. I put a wrench underneath the battery right here to kind of use as a put some force on it, and then I push from the back. So now that I have the new one, let me slide it back in and start putting everything back together. Okay, so I pretty much put the new battery, went to Walmart to get it, cheapest battery, if you compare against O'Reilly's, AutoZone, 179 without the taxes. And also make sure to take your old battery for the core fee. So yeah, just put all the steps backwards, slide the battery in, connect the terminals, put back this little bolt here to secure the battery, put back the what's it called, the air filter casing, everything. Connect this piece to the hose, connect this, put this piece back, the intake, the air intake, and just put those plastic little things back on, and that's it. So it was more of a struggle to get the battery out. But once you get it out, like I did with the wrench on the bottom and using it as a plank to then push it from the back, then you can do it. Well, thank you guys for seeing the video. Hopefully it helps.